make a tool, but how do you get if you have to make all your tools, how do you get the tools to make tools?
Usually you bring out your basics. I had that question asked me about 10 minutes ago.
How do you do it?
That lady standing over here.
I need to make tools, but I don't have any tools to make tools. I don't have it.
Okay, you bring out a basic set of tools. You understand?
Hold them still. Hold
I'm
it
going to
up.
have things that
Hold
I
it up.
can work with. And from that, I manufacture the rest of it. Whenever you get up and get dressed in the morning, you like to make sure that you've got everything you need for that day before you walk out of the house, correct? Why? Because you don't want to be embarrassed, correct? Whenever you go to eat, it's nice if we've got, you know, a big T-bone steak, big baked potatoes sitting next to it, you know, big glass of iced tea. But sometimes we don't have that. That's for McDonald's Happy Meal.
No.
So, but we still have the basic necessities of food there, correct? So there's a multitude of things that you're going to find out that if you go to run a blacksmith shop, you need to have the basics in which to operate with. Now what I've got right here is going to be our new hasp for that main gate over there. I just forged that out here a few minutes ago. But what I am doing is I'm just letting it naturally cool, letting it anneal right now. And what that is doing is it is softening the metal. And from that point there, now I will be able to take and file and clean it up very nicely, make it operate smoothly. Then I'll be able to reheat it to harden it, quench it in the water. That'll actually do my hardening. Now, as soon as that's done, then I'll take and actually come back. I've got another bucket over here that actually has some beeswax, some linseed oil, and some turpentine in it, and I will use that as a coating. It actually protects it, makes it a little more weatherproof. Kind of like soaking metal in oil. You know, if it's going to be outside for a while, you got your favorite bicycle, you want all the chain down before leaving it outside, correct? Mm-hmm. All right. Yes, sir. You have a question?
How'd you make that amber?
This was most probably acquired before I left the settlements back east, but this was poured in a foundry. That's where they take and they heat up large crucibles of iron today. But back at that time, what they probably did was they had a large furnace and they'd have wood dumped in there and lit on fire. Then they would dump in the iron ore on top of that. And then they dump more wood on top of that and more iron ore. So you ended up with all these levels going up in a furnace that on the inside was usually shaped like this, but later on we find that a lot of them go like this. At the very bottom of the pit, it's kind of like a bowl. Now that is where you're going to reach in and remove that plug from, and when you remove that plug, all that hot iron is going to run down a trench. Depending on what you're doing, you're going to make what's called today is pig iron. Pig iron. And what they would do is they'd pour these very large billets. Some of them, what did they say the other day, 10 feet long, 6 to 8 inches square. It could weigh a half a ton, this 10-foot bar of iron.